second.
Is that like to
This
this
class is recording?
Okay, go on, James. Go on.
Okay, so this is the main function of Kotlin. So everything in Kotlin start from main function. So for now, I'm just removing this function. This is a Kotlin file. Here you can see main.kt. Kt means Kotlin. So when you are writing code in Kotlin, there are some keyword that used to do in specific like if you want to print some text in console, just type printf hello world. Oh, before you have to declare a main function. Everything start from main. So this is the main function. When you create a new blank project, the IntelliJ automatically generate this. So main, fun, main, argument, array, strings. You don't have to learn these things now. Just you look the method body. So when you want to print something like it's indexing now, it's taking a little bit time to download the dependencies.
Ma'am, you can try the video link now. It's publicly opened.
Okay.
Can you please open the link again and check?
Is it the same link?
Yeah, this is the same link.
It's still
I just turn off the security and it will open into the publicly, and you can download the video from there.
Okay, let me refresh it.
Okay.
It's still saying the same. Can no permission.
Logging permission.
Still the same. You cannot use this
Still the same. Oh, okay. Just a second. Providing you another link.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, James, you move on.
Okay, it's downloading some dependency. That's why I'm
okay, no problem. So
it's almost finished now.
In the meantime, let me help ma'am to operate. Is it asking for the email and password, ma'am? Is video asking?
Already logged in Zoom using Woodfin number.
Yes, you can log in using your Zoom account.
Yeah, and I'm already logged in and it's still showing no permission.
Okay, so okay, I got it. Okay, so okay, let me check once again.
Okay.
It's taking time. For the first time I opened the IntelliJ, that's why maybe it's taking time to download all the stuff. So I'm sharing a resource where you can learn Kotlin.
Yes, please.
This is the website.
Lost you, James. Mark.
Sorry.
Oh, James.
James, can you hear us? You are muted.
Sorry, it's my connection issue. That's why it's disconnecting again and again.
Okay. So Amber ma'am needs some queries, I think.
Okay, so ma'am, you can learn here Kotlin.
Okay.
There's some more stuff. Why Kotlin and how to use them. I'm just showing you some basic things.
Okay, please send the link.
Collect,
Yeah.
okay, collect the link from the chat box. And I'm also providing a video playlist which I followed when I'm learning Kotlin.
Okay, thank you.
Tutorial. This one. Follow the playlist, which is very easy to learn Kotlin.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm in opening IntelliJ. It's still downloading. Okay, it's done. So when you print something on console, this is the first program you have been writing. So you have to call a print ln function. So what is function? Function actually just now understand it's a container it's a kitchen. So in kitchen we just put some grocery, and kitchen process the grocery and provide some dishes and foods. So just think a function is like a kitchen or a coffee machine. Coffee machine takes coffee, takes sugar, and it process, and after that coffee machine our provides the actual coffee. So just think function something like that. So printf is one of function that actually used to print something in your console. So if I write hello world and click on the run button, I should probably see the hello world in console. It's building. Here you can see hello world. Also we can
Yes.
calculate some mathematical operation like 110 plus 20. If I now run this, I should probably see the 13 here. You can say it's 13. So there is so many things we can do in a programming language. We can multiply this 100 divided by 5.
James, I think you can show this mechanism assigning the value into the variable. Then you can pass the variable to the print.
Okay, so
variable data structure
Because
also.
because from the starting, ma'am need to know about the variable data type. Okay, this is the major basic thing of the programming.
okay, so a variable just like nothing. It's a container. It's contains some data, so it's holds some data. So how you can declare a variable in our programming? So if you declare variable in Kotlin, just you have to write the var keyword. This is a keyword that actually defined in Kotlin. It's a special property. So I am declaring a variable called name. So name holds the string type of data. So what is string? String actually on like name. When you are writing a passage or word, then it will be a string. So I'm name like
String is a
Thomas
set of character.
Utfin. So it's a variable. We declare a variable called name, and it's hold the string type of data. So for
And
the equal
you can write any kinds of data inside the double bracket,
inside the block,
double
inside
quote.
the
Yeah.
double quote, inside you can write anything. So I am assigning the Thomas Utfin string into the name by the assign equal operator. So you will learn operator. There is so many operator, arithmetic operator, logical operator. So you will learn all those things. I already provide a link where you can learn easily. I'm just showing for demonstration.
Okay.
So also you can declare another variable like age. Age contains integers we are using. So when you are assigning a integer value, that means number value, it could be phone number, it could be age, it could be it could be someone, height, whatever. So this is the integer type of data. So you can mention as well here, it's a string type of data and it's a integer data. So if you assign here string, then you can assign the integer type of data in string, because here you can see it's showing error.
Yeah.
If I'll zoom little bit, here you can see it's, but if you write something on the quotation, double quotation, then it's convert to the string. So I am just uh, leave it to integer and remove the quotation here. Also I am providing height. So when you height would be the float. Float is another data type like string, integer. So float, actually a float able to hold the uh, numeric values like
Mm-hmm.
1.1, 1.2, but you have to add f in the value. Like my height would be 6 or 5.9 f.
Mm-hmm.
So this way you can declare variables. So when you are when you want to print this variable, like here name equals to name, and if you press the run button here or here, then you can see the name is Thomas Utfin.
Okay.
So we will learn more stuff from the URL I provided.
Yeah. Yeah.
The basic syntax, architecture, variable.
Variable and data type
So if
should
you,
complete first.
here you can see the name, variable, age, and all those stuffs. Why string. Okay, let's back to the Ender Studio. Let's back to the Ender Studio, and we will see some design stuff. So I am closing my IntelliJ and opening Ender Studio. I am opening the Raptor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now this is empty. Currently this is empty, nothing is here. Just we are creating a new function. We are designing something like that. Bottom navigation menu. So I'm gonna design this menu in our screen. So how we can design this kind of design. So in Jetpack Compose, let me create another function, composable function, home page or bottom menu, home bottom menu. Okay, and also one more thing you have to do, everything Jetpack Compose has lots of widget, like yesterday we use image widget, text widget. For this now, for drawing this view, you have to use a widget called scaffold widget. So I am declaring a scaffold widget. Scaffold widget actually takes some data parameter, uh, bottom bar. Yeah, bottom bar. So in bottom bar, we are passing the home bottom bar function here. So this way the scaffold widget can recognize our bottom menu. Let me copy all those things and paste creating another function for preview home page screen.
We have already have a preview function.
Yeah, and I'm gonna change the preview card, these things. Let me comment. If I reload this, let me little bit
Minimize
zoom
the
out.
zoom. Yes.
Yeah. If I reload this, I should able to soon see nothing. The whole screen is empty. Thanks screen. Here you can see nothing is here. This is empty screen. So first of
Yeah.
all, we have to declare a data class that will contain our list of item. Here you can see the favorite, music, places, news. So, and a text and a icon. So I am declaring a data class, which is bottom menu item. This will take a string type of data. First one is string title, which is string. Remember, we see in IntelliJ, in Kotlin. So we are declaring another function, another variable, which is icon. So icon hold the integer type of data. Okay, so now I am creating a list of data. Let's name it items. And I'm declaring the list of is a function that actually used to generate a list. So I'm passing the data type, what kind of data this list will hold. So it's a bottom menu item, or I can say menu item. Let's rename it to menu item. Copy the menu item. I'm creating a menu item. So first one is favorite, then music, then place, then news. So view favorite, and also we have to add icon here. So remember, yesterday we discussed about the icon. When you are writing, when you show any image or icon, then you have to copy the icon and paste the drawable folder. So I am just generating a new icon from Android Studio. Android Studio has a tool that used to generate icon. So I'm choosing vector asset, and let me generate favorite icon. Yeah, favorite icon has generated. I'm generating music icon as well. Click the left button, right button, and new, then vector asset. This would be music. Music. Also, I'm generating
Place
place
icon.
and news. Place, and also I am adding the news icon. Maybe it's page news. Just I'm using this icon for demonstration. Okay, we generate 4 icons for our bottom navigation in drawable folder. All the icon and image are stored in drawable folder. So in menu icon, we pass favorite. So I'm identify the ID of the image. First one is favorite, and duplicating this line. Second one is music. Third one is place. Place. And fourth is news. New. Okay, this icon. Then you have to call another Jetpack compose function, call bottom navigation. I think, say in bottom navigation, it takes content. Okay, bottom navigation. Items. Oh, maybe I forgot. Let me search on Google. Bottom navigation. No, Jetpack Compose. Jetpack Compose. Bottom navigation bar. It's loading. Okay, so for bottom navigation is a widget. So we are defining some values here. So first thing, I'm passing the color of the background color. So background color is remember we declare color in UI.color. Here you can see lots of colors. So I am choosing the purple 700. So I'm just copying and paste it here. Okay, if I reload this, I should able to see something on my screen. Here you can see bottom navigation menu has added, but there is no icon and no action is showing here.
Yeah.
Because you did not call the list.
So I'm calling the list items and I'm adding for each loop. You will learn for each in Kotlin. Okay, so for each with index. In for each with index, I am creating another, calling another item, bottom navigation item, which is a composable function also. So this will take two parameters. One is selected and one is on click. Let me format it a little bit. So I am creating a state which will hold our position selected item. So this will be state selected as selected item by remember mutable state of integer. Let me import it. Okay. So in first position is a by default it will select the 0 index. So selected will be the selected item equal index. Selected item dot value, I think. Dot
Make
items.
selected item a var, not a val.
Value will not change. The cheat should be mutable.
No, I'm not changing here. Okay.
Keep the var.
You are using a mutable state of, but it's please import this. You are not importing.
Okay. I'm using val instead of. So if the I selected item position, we are holding 0. So for in for each loop, it's looping. So if the selected item position and our index dot value, yeah, selected item values and index equal same, then this item will be selected. And on click function, I am just I'm creating a context object which will hold the local context dot current. So when someone press the menu item, it will show a message, toast message. So I just show the, also I have to change the selected item position. Selected item dot value will be the index. And also I want to show the toast message. So for now I have to call the toast function, and also I have to pass. Just writing clicked on the position with p menu item dot title. And also this will take some icons. I should um, okay, we have to pass the icon as well. Icon would be the icon takes the painter resource and content description. So I'm providing content description null, and painter resource will be painter resource, the menu item dot icon, little bit formatted. And also I have to pass the text content. I think it's content or level. Yeah, this is level. So this will text. This text will take the menu item dot title. And also I'm passing another variable called parameter called always show level. I'm assigning it to true. Okay, so if I reload this page, I should be able to see that design. Here you can see our expected menu has drawn perfectly.
Yeah.
So if I run the app, let's run it to Android emulator. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, it's running. It's taking a little bit time.
Okay. In the meantime, you can describe the task to ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, we create a list of data which will contains our menu item. So for that we create a data type. Data type is a one kind of class. You will learn class in Kotlin. So here we are using Kotlin, so we just create a Kotlin data class which will take title and icon. We create a custom. You can assign whatever you want. Like if you want to add another property called color, then you can easily define it. So color would be the integer type of color. So you can define anything in data class. So I declare a data class which will take the menu item of data, and after that we create a list of data, because you can see here is 4 items. So it's hold the 4 items. So if you want to add more item, so then you can easily add here. I'm adding another icon for demonstration. So I am using, let's take the flower icon.
Mhm.
I generate a new icon and click finish. Okay, after that you have to duplicate the line, adding some menu item. So this will be like a flower. So if you change the icon of flower, I see it's the vintage. Okay, so if you reload this, then you should able to see the 5 items. Yeah, here you can see the 5 items. So if I run this,
James, if there will be 7 or 8 items, then what will happen into the design?
uh
You will adjust the
then
whole area.
it's overflow the design. Yeah, here currently you see
Okay, try
nothing
to,
is showing.
okay, please add two more, but two more item.
Okay, I'm adding.
Then
But
let's
here you
see
can
what
see
will happen.
just nothing is showing because we didn't call the function yet. So that's why if you see closely here, we cannot call the function yet. So I'm just call the function here in our main on create function,
Mhm.
because on create our starting point. Also, I am calling the yeah, that's it. So if I now reload this, I should able to see the menu item in the bottom section. See the menu item. When you click any item, it's showing that
Mhm.
message
Mhm.
news. When we click the flower, it's showing the flower. So Mark, I am creating some duplicate the item.
Yes. Just two item, just only two item. We need to
Just
check actually what will happen into the UI design. Is it overflow
actually
or it will hide?
it's overflow the design, or it
Let's
will be the scrollable, I think.
let's see.
Let's see what is happening. Yeah, it's overflow the design.
Okay.
It's overwriting. Maximum
So
7 items.
Yeah.
okay.
It's only you add 7 item maybe. So I'm just adding 4 items here as well. After that, when you declare a list of data, then we are calling the bottom navigation function Jetpack widget, which is another widget like text and image.
Maximum
So
5
in
items.
yeah, 5 icon. So in bottom navigation, it's a widget I mentioned earlier, which is like kind of string image. So we are calling the bottom navigation, which is a widget, and I am passing the background color of this widget is purple. So we can define any color here. So like color dot red. If I now reload this, the whole background color will be changed. Yeah, background color has changed.
Yeah.
If you want to like sky color, sky.
Just know, is the icon color automatic change?
No, icon
So
color
the
didn't icon color change actually based on the icon we pass. Here
background
you can
color.
see the black color. So if you want to change the icon color as well, then you can easily change the
You can
color of
change
icon.
the background color. Please change the background color. Undo.
Okay, I'm changing the background color. Color will be the purple 700. Purple 700. If I reload this,
Icon
yeah,
color is changed. Text and
icon
icon color also change automatically.
icon color is changed. It actually based on the bottom navigation right top of the material theme. That's why we are using black icon, but it's showing white. We can configure our text like yesterday we see how to configure the text in modifier text. We'll take the modifier. So modifier, I am passing the uh, default font size, like no, it's not modifier, it's text style. So it will take the text style object, text style. I am passing the font size. It's 20 sp. Importing this color. If I reload this, I should able to see bigger text here, large text, but it's overflow, looking fancy. So I'm just passing 13 sp as well. And let's add the font family. So font family, remember we declare a font here.
Send you a link into your email to download the video. Can you please
Okay.
tag and accept it?
Let me check.
Yeah, sure.
Here you can see font is applied. Different font.
Yes.
Also, you can change the icon color as well. So if you pass here icon TNT, it's TNT T color. So color I am passing default the red one. If I reload this, but I can show the red icon, maybe it's white still. Yeah, icon change. Also I can change the text color as well here. So color will be the red. Here you can see the text color has changed.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sharing the source code, and this class it's that's it for now. And let's
Ma'am, you
check
got
the mem.
invitation, ma'am?
The same
Ma'am,
link. Sorry.
Yes,
ma'am,
yes, the same link.
yes, the same link.
We invited you from the Zoom account. We invited you in your
Okay,
email.
I'm creating another branch 1.1 which will contain our today code.
Hey, just wait.
Adding bottom.
Okay, so
Okay. Ma'am, you can just download the today code from this the same repo. Let me open it and show how you can download the Git manager remote.
ma'am, you got invitation.
Sorry, come again.
Okay, so ma'am, you can download the source code from here today source code. Just in main visit this page and select the branches, and you will see main and 1.1. Main is yesterday class and 1.1 is today class source code. So if you click on that, then you can download the source code the same way.
Okay,
Ma'am, could you
James.
share your screen to
Yeah.
check your studio is okay for now?
James, before this, need to confirm the invitation.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yeah, it's ready. It's ready
Yeah,
to run.
it's ready
Ready?
to run. Yeah, it's and studio ready. Just open the app.
Yes.
Just
Yeah,
click on the play
open
button.
it. Open race folder. Yeah, race resource folder, and click on the Java folder as well. If you click on drawable, then you will see images we use in this.
Oh yeah.
Here you can see the images we use last
From
class. Now open the com folder. First one. Click on it after Java. First one, yeah, and click on the main activity. And minimize the icon. What's new? If you minimize the assistant window.
Where?
Here you can see the minus icon
Beside the gear icon
in the top
of the
in the top
right
right
side,
corner.
top right
Top
corner,
right corner.
beside the gear icon. Here is a minus sign.
Minus sign.
Yes.
Yeah. Top.
This?
No. This not this one. In Gradle device simulator, you'll see the minus icon.
Oh, this.
Oh no, below that line,
You
there is
see?
assistant. What's new? There is a row containing assistant. What's new?
Here is a text
Your icon.
called Gradle. Here is a text called Gradle.
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
right
In that
side.
line, go at last. There is a minus icon. There is a hyphen. Yeah, yeah. Click on that.
This one. Hard.
Click
Click on that.
Yes.
And click on the build and refresh.
Right.
Bottom at the center.
At the center of
Right
this,
side.
yes.
It's taking time to build the project and show the actual design. We did yesterday.
Yeah.
It's taking time.
Okay, so
If I'll make changes here, will it affect the copy?
Yeah, you
and
can
look it
you
or
can
no?
change here. You
Okay.
can change here.
The one you downloaded in the GitHub?
Yeah, the code is available in GitHub.
just fetch the code and check out to the 1.1 branch.
Click build and refresh again.
It's already building, James.
I did.
Yeah, it's building. It's taking time. Okay. In the meantime, you can yeah, it's finished.
So, ma'am, thank you so much for joining. We
Yeah.
will move into the daily stand-up meeting, and in the next Monday
There you
we
can
will
see, ma'am.
see again. We'll
Yeah.
see you again. In the meantime, if you face any problem, just let us know.
Okay, I'll let you know. Thank you. I'll message you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day, all of you.
Okay.